Hey, goal getters, welcome back to the Mental Perspective. My name is Jenna Weinstein, your mental strength and wellness coach and owner of Ripple Effect Performance. And today, folks, I really want to talk about goal setting, but I want to talk about another newer interest and hobby of mine, gardening. And in the last year that I've really gotten into gardening, I've realized there are so many similarities and parallels between making plants grow and making our dreams grow. And I want to share with you a couple of those similarities that I've learned this last year. Let's get after it. So for any of you who don't know, I got into the gardening gig about a year or so ago. It all started when COVID was really kicking up and we were all forced into quarantine. And me and my husband Gabe, everybody say hi Gabe, he's behind the camera right now. And me and my husband Gabe, we figured that quarantine and lockdown was the perfect opportunity for us to start a new hobby. And since we moved into our home about 3 or 4 years ago, we knew we wanted to garden, we knew we wanted to plant things, and both being from New York City, we didn't really know where to start. So last year, we decided this is the time, we are gonna build a garden, and we're gonna do it right. So we did it. Well, Gabe did it. Gabe built the planter box that you all see behind you right now. He built the planter box, we got the dirt, we got the fertilizer, we got the plants, we put them in, and that was about as much as we knew when it came to gardening. Everything else that happened after that was a lot of guesswork, but we knew that we had to get the basics right. We knew that plants just needed a place to grow, got it. They needed sunshine, got plenty of that down here in Savannah, and they needed water every day. And we knew that if we did those 3 things every day, our plants should grow. And we learned that it really is that simple. If you just tend to your garden every day and do those little things, you're gonna see growth. And we saw so much growth and we learned so many things about gardening. We grew peppers, we grew tomatoes, we grew a lot of basil and cilantro, and it all came from just tending to the garden every day. And we definitely had some days where we were not feeling like going out in the garden, where it was raining and we thought, oh, well, we don't need to tend to the garden when it's raining, or on days where we just were so busy with work and got distracted and preoccupied. We definitely had 1 or 2 days where we didn't check on our plants. And the next couple of days after that, when we'd go out and see how the plants were doing, they weren't dead, but they were definitely wilted. They were struggling. And setting and achieving goals is no different than growing a garden. You have to check in and make actions on your goals every day. And it doesn't have to be big actions, but you have to tend to your goals every day. Or else, after a little bit of time, they're gonna start to wilt. And you could probably bring life back into your goals, but it's going to take a lot more effort and attention. So that's the biggest similarity that I've learned about setting and achieving goals to growing a garden. Tend to your goals like you would tend to your garden every day. And the next thing, like I said, is you don't have to do big things to achieve your goals. It's the little things that make a big difference. Just watering your plants every day and making sure that weeds aren't growing in your garden, that's what's going to help your plants thrive. Checking in on your goals, taking small steps and small actions on your goals every day, that's what's gonna help you be successful. So a lot of times we get so overwhelmed thinking, I have to make such big steps and big moments of progress to be successful. But it's really not that complicated. Just take small steps every day. Every day. And you're gonna see before you know it, you've made a big amount of growth in your garden or towards your goals. Those are my 2 biggest things for you all to keep in mind, whether you're actually trying to grow a garden or you're trying to achieve your goals. Be consistent and take small, consistent steps every day. So if you all are liking these videos and you learned something from today, make sure you let me know, show me some love, hit that thumbs up button down below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel if you haven't subscribed already, because you'll get to hear more interesting content from me on how you can achieve your goals, increase your mental toughness, and maybe even grow your own garden one day. So if you haven't done that, subscribe to this channel. And make sure that you join my Facebook community where I'm putting out daily content on how you can be more mentally and physically tough in your everyday lives. I'll leave a link in the description down below for how you can do just that. And remember, folks, I'm here to bring you strategies and techniques that will help you strengthen your mindset, which will lead to you achieving more goals, which will lead to you being more successful in life. Because that's what the ripple effect is, folks. So let's start your ripple effect today.